Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. So this video is gonna be all about skincare. I'm obsessed with skincare, and so I've been dying to do this video for the longest time, but finally here we go. And in this video, I'm not just gonna be talking about the products that I use, the products that I love, that work for me, but also like some skincare positivity, as well as some things that I personally deal with and stuff like that. So a different thing that you might notice in this video is that I'm not wearing any makeup, which I don't always wear makeup in these videos. I mean, I do wear some makeup sometimes, and I've been wearing makeup nowadays on YouTube more than I used to, because I've been stuck at home and I have nowhere to go, nowhere to get ready. So I just do my makeup just to make myself feel better. So that I'm like, I have a YouTube video shoot today, so I'm just gonna do my makeup and make myself feel better and stuff like that. But if you go back and see my earlier videos, in a lot of vlogs as well as videos, I'm not really wearing makeup, which I'm like totally comfortable with, but just my skin is not feeling great lately. I have like acne, as you can probably see, all over my face right now, but I'm okay with it. Yes, it's it's not that easy to deal with that, because I've always dealt with acne, and it's not always easy, but I'm just in a process of accepting myself, looking at myself with these imperfections, and seeing something beautiful, not just because like, oh, I have imperfections, I look bad. No, these imperfections, these flaws are a part of my life, and I'm on the journey to accept them, to call myself beautiful the way I am. And so I just wanted to say that. I don't know why. Yeah, whatever. So let's get on to this video. I hope you like it. So let's just jump right in. We get started with the video or the products that I'm going to be talking about today. I just want to say that these are all the products that I use that have worked for me. It might not work for your skin, or these products might be just working for my skin or something like that. So I want to say that before I started. Also, I just want to say that I still deal with acne, I still do have acne, but these products have helped decrease my skincare issues and helped me with a lot of things. My skin is better than it used to be. So that's that. So let's get started. So I'm going to be talking about the products in the order that I use them, and let's get started. So this is the face wash. I use a face wash twice or thrice a day. This is Additive Clear Active Pimple Control Face Wash. I've been using this face wash for the last, I think 4 or 5 years it's been, or maybe more, I don't know. But this has been my constant, and this has helped my skin so much. It's minimized the oil, the greasy look, and obviously the acne so much. I am obsessed with this one, and this has been my constant in my skincare routine forever. Next up, I use a cleanser like once a day. I use this cleanser, Essential by Artistry Gel Cleanser, once a day, and it just cleanses like face wash is basically a wash for your what do you call it? I don't know. So yeah, face wash is just a wash. It doesn't deep cleanse, but cleanser does. So I use this cleanser once a day, and it deep cleans my skin, and it has changed my skincare game forever. I've been using this for a year now, and it has just been amazing. Next up, I don't use a scrub every day. I use a scrub once or twice a week, depending upon how my skin has been. So this one is another Essential by Artistry polishing scrub, and this one has been an incredible. So basically, your face needs thorough cleaning once or twice a week, and this scrub does that. So I don't think you're supposed to scrub every day, especially it's my skin, so I'm talking about just my skin, because I have acne, and it's kind of it maximizes the acne, I've heard, if you scrub every day. So I don't scrub every day. I scrub like at least twice or once a week. So that's that. Next up in my skincare routine is the toner. Toner is very, very important, because the cleanser and the scrub if you're using it. Opens up your pores and you need something to close it, and the toner does that. This is almost empty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's almost empty because I love it, and it has had a lot of help with my acne, and just like in general, it's not like focused on acne. It focuses more on the like the pores, and I've seen like my pores are so much more better now, like smaller, and you don't really see a lot of them. And just like with the balancing of the hydration and stuff like that, it has helped a lot. This is the balancing toner. It's according to my skin. It doesn't mean there are like different toners out there for different kind of skin, but do use a toner. Try to put a toner in your skincare routine, because it just closes your pores, so it's very important. Yep. Next up, in my skincare routine, after I use the toner, I use a serum, which lately I've been using this by Minimalist, niacinamide 10% plus zinc, which I know in the last video I was not able to pronounce it. I'm sorry, but this time I'm sorry I used the right one. This is by a company called Minimalist. It's niacinamide 10% plus zinc. It's the serum that I use every day after I've taken a shower, after a bath and stuff like that, after the toner. So this one is basically for acne scars, and I think for like the small, it has helped me with like the small bumps that you have on your forehead. It has minimized that a lot. And yes, the acne scars and my skin just feels better after I've been using it for a long time, and now my skin does feel better, and just like more brighter, and just like less sensitive as compared to it was before. So this is my everyday serum. I have another serum that I don't use every day because it's more for it says it's the McAfee Coffee Face Serum. It says for all skin types, but I would recommend this serum if you have dry skin, because it's super hydrating, and I use it like twice or once a week, according to how my skin is feeling. But after like one apply, I can see how like better or hydrated my skin feels. If you have dry skin, this is definitely a must have for you. I use it every day. This is the everyday serum. This I use sometimes a week and stuff like that. So yeah, next up is a very important thing, that is the moisturizer. I use this Essential Multi Protect lotion. The reason I use this one is because it's very easily absorbed in your skin. My skin is very oily, so most moisturizer don't work for my skin because it makes it more oily, but this one just gets absorbed in a minute, and it's amazing. And it also has like SPF 30, which if I'm inside and I'm not really going out or stuff like that, I just use this and not a sunscreen. But if I am going out, sunscreen is a must have, which I'm sorry, but I did not know before. But I've learned my lesson. I know how important sunscreen is, and make sure that you apply sunscreen on your face as well as neck. Okay, boys and girls, go out. If you're going out, don't forget this. It's a holy grail, and everyone talks about how important skincare and sunscreen is in the skincare. And I did not know that before, but I do now, and I've been using the sunscreen now I've accumulated sunscreen in my skincare routine, and it has changed the whole game. Trust me, very important. Must have sunscreen. This one just works for my skin. So it's okay, whatever sunscreen works for you, go ahead with that. This is the Attitude sunscreen, SPF 30, dermatologically tested, and it gets absorbed in a few seconds, so it's really good, because most sunscreen just makes you look very greasy. It doesn't do that, so it's great. Next up, these are all my everyday products that I use, but this thing, it's the aloe vera gel by Patanjali. It's like not that expensive, it's pretty cheap and stuff like that. I don't use it every day, but when my skin is really bad, I just wash my face at night and apply it and go to sleep when my face is really bad. So not every day, but sometimes whenever it's like flexible with the thing. So before also I just want to say that this is obviously the chemical. It does have chemicals and stuff like that, so try to use the natural aloe vera, but I also try to use that one, but it's not always easy, or you might just be busy and you can't just, it take longer, and this one is easier, accessible and stuff like that. So at night I just use it. It's good. It's still like better than, you can use aloe vera gel from any other brand. There are a lot of brands with aloe vera gel who have like great aloe vera gel as well, but this one just worked for me, whatever. Yeah. So next up I have some weekly skincare that I've been using. So I want to talk about this. It's very small. I don't know if you can even see it. This is the McAfee Naked and Raw Coffee Face Mask, and it's very small because I got this one free with this face serum. I got a mini small kit which had this one as well, and I just tried it because I got it free, so I was like, let's go with it. But I don't know if you can see how much product it is in there. I thought it's going to be over in like 2 application, but I used it thrice and it still has so much more product left. It smells amazing, and it's very good for brightening and hydration, and it says on the website it's very exfoliating as well. It just deep cleanses, and I use it like, I don't always use this one. I got it recently, so I've used it like thrice, but it's a very good one. I'm definitely gonna purchase the bigger version of this one. So yeah, next up, the thing that I've been doing now since a long time in my skincare routine is using Multani Mitti. For those of you who don't know what Multani Mitti is, it's basically natural clay, and my skin is very oily and sensitive, so there are a lot of like commercial clay face masks out there, but this one is natural and this one doesn't harm your skin. It's very good for your skin. Just use it with water or rose water and it works wonderful. I use it once a week and that's enough for my skin. Go definitely try Multani Mitti no matter what your skin type is. It works amazing for every skin type. So last but not the least, these sheet masks I want to talk about. These are by the brand called Tony Moly. It's a Korean brand, which obviously Korean skincare is the best in the world. We all know that. But I use this. You can easily use it once a week, and it just gives you that hydration and stuff like that. But I don't always use it once a week. I use it like twice a week, depending upon how I'm feeling, what my skin is feeling, and stuff like that. I want to talk about these sheet masks in particular because I've used a lot of other sheet masks from other brands, but these one have to be my favorite. These are just the best sheet masks I've ever used. These are at the same price as the Garnier or Nykaa or whatever Pond's and stuff you're using, but these are like 10 times, honestly more than 10 times. It's like 100 times better than those ones because it's like it doesn't. What the problem I had with the Nykaa sheet mask was that whenever I used to remove them, there was like so much serum on my face, and which is not a bad thing. I get it, it's not a bad thing, but it just made like it was so much serum and it took so long for the absorption and it just was uncomfortable and wasn't great, which I was okay with. But these one just like gets into your skin very easily, very good. And these ones even are 100% cotton ones, which are I think better for your skin. Also like the sheet in general is better in these ones. As you can see, I've already like I have only 3 left. I have ordered a lot more of these, but I use them so quickly. My sister uses them, and these are the best. If you are looking for sheet masks, if you already use sheet masks, these are according to me the best in the market, and they are easily available on Nykaa or I think on a lot of different websites as well. I ordered them off Nykaa, but these are the best sheet masks I've used. So yeah. So that's it for all my products, my skincare products, my everyday skincare products, my skincare routine and stuff like that. And if you have any more suggestion of videos that you want me to do, skincare related or just in general, let me know in the comment section below. And these are, before I end this video, I just want to say it again, these are all the products that work for me. It might not always work for you, but I'm just talking about how like you can use a different like cleanser which works better for your skin, but these just products in general are important if you want to keep your skincare up, if you want to make your skin better. And also, like, it's very, if you're into makeup as like I am, I've just been into makeup a lot recently, and I've seen like how I've been using the skincare, and just the makeup is also setting up so much better on my face now that my skin is better. So for that as well, it's very important to use good quality skincare. And also, it doesn't have to be expensive. Like, I have some products in there that are not expensive, some are expensive, but I just want to go out and say that you don't need expensive skincare products. There are a lot of natural products, a lot of affordable products out there. Just make sure you look at the ingredients, you try it, you see the reviews, you see how people talk about them. There's so many like YouTubers out there who give like great advices, great skincare, options and stuff like that. You don't need to use expensive. Some expensive products are good, but they are like easily affordable products out there which are honestly the same. So don't go out saying that skincare is supposed to be expensive. It's not. It's just one product. If I use this one sunscreen, it lasts me forever. This toner lasted forever as well, and the serums and everything lasted for a very long time. So you don't need to, it's not always has to be expensive. It can be very affordable as well as good for your skin. So that's it for this video. I can go on and on about skincare, but this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know in the comment section below your favorite skincare products. I would love to know. I would love to try some more. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.